Show the skin. Thank you, viewers. Show the skin. Thank you, viewers. The PPT form when the calcium nitrate react with sodium hydroxide solution, calcium hydroxide, calcium sulfate, calcium chloride, calcium oxide. The correct answer option A, calcium hydroxide. Next question, the metal ion which can produce a colored ion, ferric, lead, zinc, calcium. The correct answer option A, ferric. Next question, the hydroxide which is soluble in ammonium hydroxide, option A, copper hydroxide, option B, zinc hydroxide, option C, both of the above, none of this, or that is none of the above point. The correct answer option C, both of above. Next question, the hydroxides which are soluble in sodium hydroxide solution, option A, ferrous and copper, option B, ferric and zinc, option C, zinc and lead, option D, copper and lead. That is the correct answer option C, zinc and lead. Next question, the salt solution which cannot produce only PPT, that is the precipitate, when treated with ammonium hydroxide solution. Option A, copper nitrate, option B, zinc nitrate, option C, lead nitrate, option D, calcium nitrate. The correct answer option D, calcium nitrate. Next question, the salt form when zinc nitrate react with sodium hydroxide. Option A, zinc oxide and sodium zincate, option B, zinc hydroxide and sodium zincate, option C, zinc carbonate and zinc hydroxide, option D, zinc oxide and zinc hydroxide. The correct answer option B, zinc hydroxide and zinc sodium zincate. That is the right answer option B. My dear viewers, show the note on the screen. Salt of which elements generally colored? Option A, transition, normal, option C, lanthanide, option D, inner transition. The correct answer option A, transition, that is transition element. Next question, a solution of the compound which gives a dirty green precipitate with NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Option A, ammonium sulfate, option B, lead carbonate, এটা কার্বনেট, NaT carbonate, ferrous sulfate and chlorine. The correct answer option C, that is ferrous sulfate. Okay. Next question, the oxide and hydroxide of which metal is amphoteric, that is option A zinc, option B copper, option C iron, option D manganese. The correct answer option A zinc. Next question, the oxide and hydroxide of which metal is amphoteric, zinc, copper, iron, manganese, that is option A zinc. My dear students or viewers, the 11 and 12 the repeat question. Sorry. Next question 13. Dash and dash salt dissolved in sodium hydroxide. Option A zinc, lead. Option B lead copper. Option C sodium lead. Option D sodium zinc. The correct answer option A zinc lead. Next question. Both ammonium and sodium hydroxide are used in analytical chemistry for identically dash of the salt. The are cation, anions, electrons, none of these. The correct answer option A cation. Okay. Next question, sodium zincate and water is obtained on reaction of dash with concentrated caustic soda, that is NaOH. Option A lead, option B sodium, option C zinc, option D zinc hydroxide. Okay, that is the option C is the correct answer, zinc. Okay, hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, AlOH whole 3. The correct option, that is option A zinc hydroxide, ZnOH whole 2. Next question, a chloride which from a precipitate that is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide is option A calcium chloride, option B ferric chloride, option C ferrous chloride, option D copper chloride. That is the correct answer, option D copper chloride. Okay. Today discuss the analytical chemistry based on ICSE board exam semester 1. Dear viewers, show the notes on discussed topic. Immediately after the discussion, it will be shown on the screen. The first question, which white precipitate is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide, N is for ways. Option A AgCl, option B NaOH, option C NaCl, option D MgOH whole 2 magnesium hydroxide. The correct answer option A silver chloride AgCl. Next question, calcium salt with sodium hydroxide gives dash precipitate. Option A pink, option B blue, option C white, option D green. The correct answer option C white. Next question, salt of mineral element that is 1 to 17 are generally colorless, green, blue, white. The correct answer option A colorless. Next question, the ferrous salt are dash in color, light green, blue, colorless, white. That is correct answer option A light green. Next question, the hydroxide which is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide is aluminum hydroxide AlOH whole 3, FeOH whole 3, ferric hydroxide, ferrous hydroxide FeOH whole 2, zinc hydroxide ZnOH whole 2. The correct answer option A AlOH whole 3. Next question, the salt which will be not react with ammonium solution, ammonium hydroxide, N is for OH solution. Option A zinc chloride ZnCl2, Cupric chloride CuCl2, ammonium chloride NH4Cl, ferrous chloride FeCl2. The correct answer option C, ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Okay. Next question. The hydroxide which is soluble in excess of sodium hydroxide is option A, ZnOH2, zinc hydroxide, FeOH3, ferric hydroxide, FeOH2.